Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are back with two Kinder Joy, and these are from Funco, Harry Potter edition. And previously we have unboxed only single one, and we got Hermione in that. But now we have two with us, and we are going to unbox them. Let's see what we get in each of them. Okay, let's start with this one. We'll try our luck what we get today. We have the toy in it here, and let's open it. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Some kind of sticker it is. Okay, and this is also kind of book. First time I'm seeing this. uh, I don't know how they use it. Okay, so the instructions are we have to place it in that. Okay, it is a book clipper. Okay, it's a book clipper, guys. Yeah, so we need to place it in this angle over here. Okay, something like this you have to put. I'm not sure how they do it. Just new things to me. Let's paste this one. I know how to paste this. Okay, we have pasted Hogwarts over here, and now we have to place it inside. I'm not sure how we can use them. Where I kept it, let me see. I think I kept it inside. Yeah, the sticker, right? So there is some glue over here. Okay, and if you remove this, oh, okay, I got it. You have to put it like this, but how you will use it as a clipper? That's the thing. Not sure. Let it be. Let's open the another one. Sorry for this little disturbance. Yeah, we'll keep the chocolate aside. Let's see what we get in this one. Oh, nice. This is also a different clipper. Seems like a clipper. So open this and see what is it. Yeah, I told you, right? This is also book clipper, but this is very nicely done. The previous one was not that good. This is a nice book clipper. You can keep it on your book like this. Suppose this is book, just paste it like this. See, it holds very nicely. Yeah, that's how you can use it. So it is a nice addition. So far we have collected three of them. uh, the one is not here with me, but yeah, so these are cool collectibles. You can have it in your collection if you collect something like indeed of Harry Potter things. So this is a nice gift for your children also, if you want to give them and make them do something on their own. So this is what Kinder Joy is. Okay, that's it for today, guys. We'll eat this chocolate now, and you enjoy the video, I'll enjoy the chocolates. Bye bye, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking.